Hello everyone, welcome back to Bullet Journaling with Eve. Today we are going to draw some doodly flowers. I have 6 ideas for you to include in your bullet journal, so let's get started. First, I would like to show you my materials. I am using the Tsuki Honeybee Edition Bullet Journal by Notebook Therapy. I will use Unipin point liner in size 0.8 for my doodles, and for some sketching, I will use a pencil and eraser. If you remember, last week we did some different doodles like animals, food, clouds, and some other easy doodles. If you want to check them out, you can find them linked here in the right corner. So let's get started. We will draw 6 different flowers and I will show you how to draw each one from the center and from the side. We will start with daisies. First, create 2 ovals. Inside the first oval, create a small oval at the center. For the second one, create a small oval at the end of the larger one. This represents the daisy from the side. Then add a stem going right from the center of the small oval and 2 leaves. Now take your point liner and start drawing your flowers. First, draw the small oval at the center, add some dots to represent the depth of the flower. Start drawing petals from the center to the outer bigger oval, using the outer oval as a reference for how long the petals should be. Do the same for the side view flower, but first, you can add some lines and details. For the other one, draw the petals again, reaching the outer oval line. Next, draw the leaves. These have a textured, curved look, so add the texture and some small details. Finally, draw the stems to complete your daisies. I will first sketch another flower and erase my lines to avoid smudges. Next, we will draw a daffodil. I already have a complete video on how to draw and color daffodils up on my channel, so I will also link that video here in the right corner. For the daffodil, draw 2 circles. Around each circle, draw 2 triangles to represent the petals. Add long, thin leaves to complete the flower. Here I am erasing the pencil lines under my daisies, and you can see the finished result. Let's ink in those daffodils. Draw a wavy line around the center of the daffodil, then add the first 3 petals on the top, which should be the petals of the one triangle. Next, add the other 3 petals for the triangle underneath. You can create a 3D effect by drawing lines on the petals. Do the same for the next one, which is center view from the top, and it's even easier to draw. Once done, add details like lines and folds on the petals. And then draw the leaves and add the stem to complete the daffodils. Next, we will draw some simple flowers, specifically tulips. Draw 2 ovals and add a circle on the top of the one. Then add the stems and leaves. The leaves should be big, like daffodil leaves, but wider. Here you can see me creating the fold of the leaf. Now erase the pencil lines of your daffodils and you can see the doodle for the daffodil. Now let's ink in the tulips. Start by creating 3 small ovals around the center oval. Then add lines to create details. For the other tulip, draw 2 petals and add small details inside. Here you can see me creating the leaves. Next, we will draw hydrangeas. First, draw a big circle. Once you have the big circle, use your point liner to draw some small flowers inside that big circle. Each flower should have some dot in the center and 4 petals. It's important to have 4 petals for each flower. Create 3 or 4 of the big ones, depending on how many you can fit in your circle. And then you will draw more flowers, filling in your circle with these simple flowers. I'm not showing you in this video how to color these flowers, but if you want a special video on how to draw and color them, just leave me a comment. I would be happy to prepare a video for this, just like I have for daffodils. When you are done with your flower, add 2 small leaves and 1 stem. Then it's time to add some details by drawing 2 simple dashes going out of the center of each flower. Here you can see me adding the fold of the leaves for the flowers that are at the outer edge of the circle. Okay, next one. Here we will draw a wild rose. First, take your pencil and draw small circles that will create one bigger circle. Then draw 5 lines extending outward from the circle. Once you are done with that, take your point liner and go over the small circles you just created. Next, draw simple petals that are really wide but short. Add some details by drawing 3 dashes extending out from the circle and creating folds on the petals and some small dashes to add depth to the flower. Now use your pencil again to draw leaves. You will need 5 leaves on one stem. Here you can see me drawing the leaves, and each one has jagged edge. Add some details, and this one is also done. The last one is really simple. Take your pencil, draw a line, and then immediately use your point liner to create a simple flowery shape. Start with the larger shape at the bottom and get progressively smaller until you reach the top. Create simple leaves for the lavender, and that's all. Now let me erase all pencil marks. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. These are 6 simple flower doodles that you can use in your bullet journal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment about which one you like the most, or if you want a full tutorial of any of these. Just write me a comment. I will be happy to prepare it for you. See you next week. Bye!